The universe is vast and mostly silent. For centuries we've wondered if we are alone. On July 1st, 2025, astronomers in Chile spotted a faint, fast-moving point of light. Something new. It wasn't from our solar system. It was an interstellar visitor, 3I Atlas, only the third ever detected. Unlike its predecessors, this object was massive, over 5 kilometers across and 33 billion tons. It sped through space at 244,000 kilometers per hour on a straight path through our solar system. Its journey likely took millions of years. As it approached, observatories worldwide, including Hubble and James Webb, focused on it. They found it shedding carbon dioxide and dust, typical for a comet, but with a strange chemical mix. Its elements didn't match anything from our solar system, confirming it was born in a distant stellar nursery. 3I Atlas was a messenger from another world. The world watched, knowing this was a rare chance to study a piece of another solar system. It posed no threat. Its closest approach was 150 million miles away. But its presence was profound, reminding us our solar system is part of a vast, interconnected galaxy. Objects like this move between stars, linking us to the greater cosmos. 3I Atlas was more than a rock. It was a tangible piece of the universe beyond our own backyard. Its arrival was about to change everything we thought we knew. For the first time, we could study an interstellar object up close. The mystery deepened with every observation. The universe had sent us a message, one we were only beginning to understand. And so, humanity waited, breathless, for what would come next. As 3I Atlas neared the sun, it did something no comet had done before. Instead of crumbling chaotically, it fragmented with astonishing precision. The pieces separated cleanly, almost as if by design. It looked less like a natural breakup, and more like a machine executing a plan. The fragmentation happened in stages, with large sections shearing away symmetrically. This defied everything we knew about cometary physics. Natural comets fracture unpredictably. This was controlled and orderly. Scientists scrambled for explanations, but none fit. Some suggested exotic materials, but the precision was too great. The event looked engineered. Was 3I Atlas an artifact, not a comet? The idea, once science fiction, now seemed possible. The object was no longer a passive visitor. It was acting with intent. The scientific community was divided, but the evidence was undeniable. The universe had shown us something new, something that challenged our understanding. The precise fragmentation forced us to consider possibilities beyond natural physics. 3I Atlas was an active participant in its journey. It seemed to be responding to its environment. This was more than a cosmic oddity. It was a profound anomaly. The messenger was preparing to deliver its message. Humanity braced for what would follow. After the fragmentation, the true mystery emerged. As the pieces drifted apart, Earth's radio telescopes detected a structured, coherent signal. It lasted only minutes, then vanished. The object continued its silent journey, but in those moments, it had spoken. The universe was no longer silent. This was not random cosmic noise. It was a direct transmission from a known object in our solar system. The timing was too perfect to be coincidence. The signal was the climax of the event. The scientific world was stunned. Was it a farewell, a beacon, or something else? The questions were immense, the answers elusive. For the first time, we had captured a whisper from the stars. The great silence had been broken. Humanity stood at the edge of a new cosmic reality. The signal ignited fierce debate. What was 3I Atlas? Some clung to the comet theory, citing its outgassing and dust. Others argued the fragmentation and signal were too precise for nature alone. The idea of an alien probe entered serious discussion. If it was a probe, it was ancient, built to survive interstellar travel and activate in our solar system. The evidence, its size, fragmentation, and signal, pointed to deliberate design. Some noted its sky coordinates aligned with the origin of the famous WOW signal. Could 3I Atlas be the source of that decades-old mystery? The alien probe hypothesis was extraordinary, but so was the evidence. Dismissing the possibility would be a failure of imagination. 3I Atlas was a cosmic riddle, forcing us to confront the possibility of other intelligences. The question itself had changed us. The riddle was a challenge to our humility. The signal's analysis revealed its most compelling secret. It was encoded with mathematical patterns, prime numbers, harmonic intervals, and physical constants. Nature doesn't produce ordered prime numbers. This was intelligence at work. Mathematics is a universal language. Any advanced civilization would understand. The message was clear. We are here, and we are intelligent. It was a deliberate act of communication, not a random burst. The implications were profound. The sender wanted to be understood. Why send the message? Was it a greeting, a warning, or a puzzle? The structure was complex. We'd only scratched the surface. But its very existence confirmed intelligence beyond Earth. The message challenged us to see ourselves as part of a larger cosmic community. The universe contains order, logic, and intelligence. The signal was a bridge across interstellar space, built with mathematics. If we want to speak to the stars, we must learn to speak in numbers. The invitation to join a cosmic conversation had been sent. The discovery of 3I Atlas and its signal is more than a scientific breakthrough. It redefines humanity's place in the universe. For millennia, we believed we were unique. Now, we must accept we may be one of many intelligent species. This is a paradigm shift as profound as learning Earth isn't the center of the universe. Our philosophies, religions, and cultures must adapt. We are no longer the lonely protagonists of the cosmic story. The knowledge that we are not alone could foster global unity. Our divisions may seem trivial in a vast populated cosmos. 3I Atlas could inspire a new era of cooperation. We are all humans, looking up at the same sky, facing the same mysteries. The message is a challenge to our maturity as a species. It calls us to see the bigger picture and take our place in a living galaxy. The signal from 3I Atlas leaves us with a monumental task. We are now potential participants in a galactic dialogue. The first step is to listen, devoting resources to scanning the skies for more messages. We must be ready for the next transmission. Beyond listening, we must decide how to respond, if at all. Humanity must consider these questions together. The discovery of 3I Atlas makes first contact planning a necessity. Was the message a greeting, a warning, or an invitation? The universe may be filled with countless civilizations. The silence has been broken. The dialogue has begun. We have glimpsed a larger reality, full of mystery and promise. The stars are waiting for our reply.